So the next one topic.
Yeah, we will see now some case studies actually on Qfiling. Maybe we have like 5 case studies, and we will going to see into more details. Nina will explain us what they actually do, and then maybe we will be followed by another demo video. Yeah.
Okay. So there are 5 simple case studies to let you know how to use Qfiling if you are new in this. So the first one is that how office work use Qfiling, and the second one is how to quickly organize your photos, and the third one is delete the files from your NAS or other devices very quickly, and the third is that we can simply cross-device sharing the files.
Okay.
And the last one is that if you are you have a website, you can use Qfiling to improve the content published efficiency. Yeah. So the first one.
First one case study is a good assistant for office workers.
Yes.
So in this one, what will do this one? It has like 3 steps.
Yes. The first one, you can select some files, include the project name like Qfiling, and it's modified by these months like this. And after select the source files, you can choose the file editing modules like encryption it and compress.
Okay.
And you can reclassify all the files in the most suitable ways, like you can choose the destination structure, like maybe the document will be reorganized by the document type, the PDF will be in one folder, and the PowerPoint will be another one folder.
So based on the instruction or the settings you set before in advance for the destination and
Yes.
the structure, that they are, how are they going to be organized? The
Yes.
pictures under pictures and...
Yes, like that. And the next one is that to reorganize the photos, you can choose by the camera model or the IPTC keywords like that, or choose all the files in your mobile and cameras. And add some watermark if you need. And the third one is that you can rename all the files when the filing task, during the filing task. Yeah. And the third one is that if you want to delete some files, you can set up some conditions, like the size more than 100 megabytes,
Okay.
or the modified date is before this year, so the last year will be deleted.
Okay.
Yeah, and just choose the destination to the recycle bin, and everything will be done.
This one to delete us.
Yes. And the third one is that you can choose some specific file, like I want to share images and videos with my friends, and I want to prevent they use these files in another way, so I can add watermark on it and merge the images into one PDF. And I want to share it by the USB devices. It also can be choose. Just need to directly select the path.
So this one, you get the watermark in the photos to
Yes.
protect your photos. You
Yes.
can directly put them into PDF.
Yes.
And then as a destination path is
Yes.
the USB recognized directly.
Yes.
Okay.
And the last one is that we know if we want to publish some videos, we need to transcode it,
Okay.
the video. And if every time we want to publish the video, we need to wait for the time to transcode the video. Is very
Time consuming.
yeah, so we can use Qfiling to help us do it automatically. We can just choose the file we want and choose the video transcoding module and set the destination folder as web folder.
So this is if you have a website or a blog, it will do it for you on the web folder.
Yes. So we can change to the demo to show the text.
Yeah, maybe we can go see these tests in real time in demo video. So
okay. So this is all the tasks I do it before, and we can check it one by one. The first one is recycle bin. You can see this is the task flow. The source folder here, Qfiling live demo. We can go to file station to check it. You can see here are many files, the PowerPoint, PDF, videos, images like this. And here we have maybe 5 files more than 100 megabytes.
wow.
And we can use Qfiling to delete it all. So
This
so select the source folder
yeah.
and just need to select the recycle bin.
Okay.
Oh, if you want to set some conditions, you can set here.
So the condition for this one is actually the files that are with more than 100 megabytes
Yes.
are going to be moved to recycle bin.
Yeah.
Okay.
So just do it one
Once.
time and apply it.
Okay.
So after apply, you can see here. Oh, it's complete.
Yeah.
So
Very fast.
refresh this page.
This is in file station, so you can see where.
Yeah. So you can see there.
Oh, they are gone.
Yeah, and it's actually in here, public, recycle. It's moved
Yeah,
to
those,
here now.
yeah, those more than 100 megabytes are here.
Yeah, so okay, so let's see the next one. The welcome on.
Okay.
Okay, so in this task with the same source path,
Okay.
and I want to pick up all the picture and add watermark on it, and the destination folder is under the website.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then,
And the structure I just flattened.
so the flattened folder structure, it moves the files as they are.
Yes.
Okay.
And rename all the file like web and the index by
Oh, so you
start with 1. Yeah, I use the rename function.
Okay.
So after that, after apply the job, you can see here. Go to the web.
This was the destination path.
You can see all the file is renamed.
With watermark also.
Yeah, and check it with
Oh, I see.
yeah. Okay, so the next one, reorganize one. Yeah.
Reorganizing the. Okay. So the same, actually, the procedure is kind of similar. You have to select the path, and then set the filters and the editing modules, and then choose the destination, the structure of the folder.
Yes, and the folder structure you can see here. We set up the picture and the months taken, so the result will be like this.
Oh, that's the preview part. That's how it will look like inside the.
Yeah, so you can see the document will be organized by the document type and the author.
Oh, it's by the name of the author, J.K. Rowling. Harry Potter, maybe.
Yeah. So let's see the results. Okay. Oops. Close this one.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Let's see Harry Potter now.
actually, okay, you can see in the first structure will be reorganized document, picture, videos, and in document we have PDF,
And
PPT, yeah, and the author of the PDF.
Wow.
Everything will be reorganized automatically here.
So it will scatter, like if they are all scattered like that, it will collect it by the document, and then it will put it in the documents under some other folders by the name of the authors.
Yes.
Wow.
Okay. So the last one, image to PDF.
Oh, image to PDF.
Yeah. Okay.
This is our new amped feature in the Qfiling.
So the first step, select the source folder again and choose some file filters like file name include unsplash.
Also, files that have this name are going
Yes.
to be included, okay?
And put watermark.
And the process here is, because they seem like arrows, so the process will be first this, then this, and then
Right.
Yeah?
So it's very visible.
yeah,
In this.
it will tell which one will be executed first.
Yes. And let's see, the destination. We set the USB devices here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so you can also check it on the file station. The USB devices. And we have one PDF.
Okay. After finishing the task.
Yeah.
Oh, it has a password. Okay, encryption.
So you can see the results.
Oh, these
And-
photos are so nice.
Okay. So this is all the scenario we mentioned.
From the case studies that we had, so
Yeah.
you just included everything in the demo.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we can change to
Maybe
the
back
slide.
to the slides. Yeah. So as we've seen in the two demos, this was the demo with the case studies, where we saw the case studies as mentioned earlier, the 5 case studies.
Yes.
So let's move to the next slide. So we are almost at the end. Maybe we can go make a quick recap on Qfiling. We
Okay.
can see, as you mentioned earlier, it's very flexible, which makes it very easy to create the Qfiling rules in only 3 steps. It's also very efficient because it can give you the opportunity to schedule all the tasks and activities for auto-filing in the future or after a certain time. Also, it's very fast because by fast and efficient at the same time, is because it has the opportunity of the recipes. Either you can create a recipe and use it after a time, or use it multiple times, and the tasks are done with just one click, so you don't have to go do everything once again. And the best part is that it has you have total control. You can check the system logs, you can see the filing status, and it's very it's easy accessible to see how the tasks are performed. And not to forget the new approach to image viewing and sharing that we have for our Qfiling. So what we've been talking today is the image to PDF, which it has been now integrated into the Qfiling 2.1.